Hello traders and welcome to this weekly analysis video. Today we are going to be analyzing the Bund futures. So let's start. So first up we are going to be looking at the weekly TPO chart. And as you can see right here, we made a selling tail on the previous week, and the market seems to be respecting that a lot. You can see it on the TPO chart right here, that on the 131s, 81s, there is a seller sitting right there and is absorbing all those buyers. So this could indicate for a bearish week, or at least bearish day for today. And yeah, if the market is going to be rallying down, I will be looking at 131s, 43s, because this is our value area high of the previous week. Then I will be looking at the POC of the TPO chart, which is sitting at 131s, 19s, and we are going to be looking at the weekly VPOC, which is sitting at 130s, 95s. So if the market is going to be rallying down and breaking all those areas, I will be looking at this box right here. So the prices for that are going to be 130s, 69s to 130s, 83s. So why is this box so important for me? It's because the value area high of the of this week and the value area low of the previous week is mostly a zone where the market is deciding if it is wanna go up again or is going to breaking that zone and finding value a bit lower. So yeah, if the market is going to be breaking this zone right here, I will be looking at the VPOC of this week, which is sitting at 130s, 09s, and I will be looking at the POC of this week, which is sitting at 130s, 19s. So as you notice, I'm a bit bearish, which is just because the market did make an opening gap, which the market likes to fill as soon as possible. And it's not just on the Bund, it's also on the Shats, on the Buxel and the Bubble. So I will be looking for shorts for today if we are not going to break this area. And if we break this area, I will be looking at the 132s 02 and 132s 04s, just because the market is, as you can see right here, respecting those areas a lot. So yeah, and if the market is going to be holding those areas till the cash open, I will be also looking at the 131s, 81s. So yeah, just because there is a seller sitting right here. So let's go to the daily TPO chart, and as you notice right here, the market did make a selling tail right here on this day, and it seems that the market is respecting this area, which could indicate for a bearish scenario. And if the market is going to be going to those single prints, I will be looking how the market is going to react. Those single prints are sitting at 131s, 41s, and 131.31. So yeah, I will expect that the market is going to be building some value right here, just because the market likes to build value there where the market left some volume, or where the market just bought or sold very aggressively. So as you can see right here. So yeah, if we are going to break this area, I will be looking for the VPOC of this day, which is sitting at 130s 94s. It's a pretty key area for me, and also I will be looking at the area 131s 45s to approximately, yeah, like right here, 131s 50s, just because the market did make a resistance right here, broke above it, and is, as it seems, rallying up or trying to find value right here. So if the market is going to be going down, I will be looking for longs or shorts. We'll see how the market is going to react. So let's look at the 60-minute chart. As you can see right here, the market left a double top right here. So for now, for those who are trading the European session, you guys want to look at 131s 83s, just because, as I said right here on TPO chart, there is a seller sitting right there. So you want to look how the market is going to react. Also, the market broke this flag formation right here, so this could indicate for a bullish scenario. And yeah, so let's look at the bubble right here. So as you can see, the market did break this flag formation right here, broke to the short side, so, and respected this support zone right here. So this could indicate that there is still a buyer sitting right here. So if the market is going to be going down to this area, you want to be looking for longs, or at least want to be looking how the market is reacting on this zone. Then as you can see right here, the market also respected this zone. This zone is sitting at 119s 40s, so you want to be looking for that too. And in the beginning of the video, I said that the market left a closing, or better to say an opening gap, which is sitting at 119s 56 to 119s 48. So you want to be looking how the market is reacting on this zone right here. I'm going to be marking this. So I don't trade the Buxel bubble or the shats. I just look how the market is reacting on those contracts, just because I trade the German bunds, and as you probably know, the German bunds is going like the Buxel bubble and shats. So if the Buxel bubble and shats are going up, the German bunds are going to be doing the same. So you want to look for these areas, and even if you just trade the German bunds, I will advise you to put those three ladders up, so Buxel bubble and shats, just because the those markets are correlating. So you can see on the TPO chart right here, it's made a opening gap, and now you want to look how the market is reacting. You can see on this week right here we made a selling tail, and for those who are trading the bubble, you want to be looking at the 119s, 92s and 119s, 91s, because you can see on the TPO chart right here it made a slight peak on the volume profile, so this might indicate that there is still a seller sitting right there. And yeah, if we break this area we could see a strong rally up, just because for the sellers that sold in this area, they want to be exiting their positions as quickly as possible, and this could indicate that they are going to be forced to buy at market, which is forcing the market to go up further and aggressively. So if we break this area, I would look for buys. Then for the Buxel, you can see on the weekly profile that the Buxel is pretty much accepting, or at least respecting this area on the TPO chart. So the point of control of the previous week. So this could indicate for a bearish scenario if we don't break this. And you can see right here that there is a bulk of volume, so it seems like the seller is selling the market. So I noticed you couldn't see what I'm talking about. This is the bulk of volume I'm talking about. So this is the point of control of the TPO chart, and it seems like the market is respecting that a lot. If the market is going to be rallying down, I would be looking at the value area low of the previous week, which is sitting at 123.18. I would look how the market is reacting on this area. If we can break this, you want to be looking at the value area high of this week, which is sitting at 122.54. And if the market is going to be rallying down further, you want to be looking at those zones. You can see right here that the market built a lot of volume in this area, so you want to be looking at 120s and 120.60s, which is also the VPOC of this week, and the point of control of the TPO chart, which is sitting at 120s 52s. If we can break those zones. Also, you want to be looking at the value area low of this week, which is sitting at 119s 60s. So, and last but not least, we are going to be looking at the shats. We also made a gap right here, so I will be looking at this a lot. So you can see right here the market closed right here of the previous week and opened right here. So you want to be looking how the market is going to react on those zones. You can see right here that the market left a selling tail. If the market today or this week can't break those areas. You want to be looking at this bulk, so the VPOC, which is sitting at 107.54.5, and the point of control of the TPO chart, which is sitting at 107.54. So those are going to be our key areas for this week. And yeah, so my question for you guys right now is, what is your take on the FGBL right now, bullish or bearish? Let us know in the comments. So if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any videos. And yeah, thank you for watching and trade smart.